Okay, 14. Now they're giving us a graph. I've enlarged it because that's the way I like to look at them. And then we're either going to give a form of a sine. Sorry, I'm over here. Either sine or cosine. So we could do either one, but and remember, sine and cosine really they have overall the same shape. It's just whether it gets shifted one way or the other. Well, notice a sine bx, they don't do any shifting. Shifting's not allowed. So we're looking at this. Which one starts big? Cosine starts big, right? Because cosine is the x. So if we've got a unit circle, we start here at 0. Cosine is the big one, sine is 0. Okay, so we're going to use cosine because this is obviously starting here. Now usually cosine looks something, it starts here and comes down like this, right? Goes down to 0, comes down to here, then goes up. And again, you could do that with the always remember, you always have at your disposal graphing calculator, so it's good to go ahead and let me turn off the other one, just a standard cosine. So I'm going to turn this other one off for now, and then we'll see. So this is a standard cosine. So what's happened? This one is flipped. It's reflected over, so it's got the amplitude, the a in front has to be negative, and it's not going down to 1, it's going down to -3. So hopefully we can see readily that this should be in the wrong place here. This should be y equals -3, because -3 to +3 cosine. And then now we got to look at the period. The period usually comes from up here, so it's been flipped, and then we get a high point here at pi over 2. So it's what, instead of it's been squashed in, remembering that b is not the period, but we get 2 pi over b. That's going to give us the period. So if it was 1, then the period's 2 pi, but obviously it's not. It's about, let's see, this part has been moved. Again, they've been flipped, but this is at pi over 4. This is supposed to be, this high point here is supposed to be at pi. It's at half that distance. So b has to be 2. B has to be 2. This way. Now we should always have parentheses around here, but so let's see if this works. That's the thing, is you don't have to guess at this. Let's go ahead and go with -3 cosine 2x. Let's see if it worked. Because again, we're guessing, or should it be x divided by 2? I think it should be x over 2. There, b should be 2. And we see this thing going. There it is, down there, up there, and here's pi. Here's pi over 2. It's looking, yeah, it's what we need. It's what we need. Okay, so that's it. Plug it in here, and we're done. Thanks.